This is Marty's backyard. Her garage is gone. It was attached to the house. I got people's stuff in her backyard, a bicycle, an old couch, pieces of people's houses, because there were houses taken away down there. Total houses gone. People are pitching in from all over. The hospital, Home Depot sent people up. Just people from all kinds of communities coming and helping clean up here. A lot of trees cut down. The cemetery had all the trees destroyed. And it's a big mess out there. You can find about anything in the rubble. Here's an old Atari game called Atari 2600 Video Cartridge Midnight Magic. That's a pretty old game system nowadays. But there's everything in the yard.